Hey, meal preppers, Paul coming at you here today. Amy behind the camera, she made it back from yet another girls' weekend.
Yeah, poor me.
For her, but I actually was very productive, got a lot done. It was nice to have the house to myself and the dogs. And as I was doing the recipes, I really wanted simple, but they're simple each, but I also messed up quite a bit. So
when I'm not around,
we'll see
he
what
gets it done faster, but he just kind of flies by the
Amy
seat
has
of his
no idea
pants.
what we cooked,
Nope.
so she's gonna hear what she's got today. We got a chimichurri ground bison right here. So ground bison, just simply cooked with paprika, chili powder, and oregano with some cherry tomatoes in there. Put red onion in there to make it a little bit more flavor. And then we have a chimichurri sauce, which has quite a bit of vinegar in it. She's probably not gonna like it. You know, I'd probably just bring something else to put over it. But then we got, I got some zucchini in here, which I left in the oven a little too long.
Oh yeah, that too.
You can see that it's, you know, it happens.
But it's gonna be
still
sweet
good. It'll be really sweet. That's what happens when you leave it in there. Really sweet. So we steamed some carrots to put that with it. So there you go. Oh, it's over jasmine rice too. Over jasmine, which I cooked very well. I cooked very well.
I'm usually the rice girl.
Over here we got pesto chicken with cauliflower rice. This one actually looks pretty good. I tasted it along the way. It's going to be phenomenal. The red pesto is awesome. So you chop up your cauliflower rice. Again, I hand chopped it, put it in there with some garlic, some fresh chopped tomatoes, red pesto. We've got 5 ounces of spinach and kale mix in here.
What is red pesto?
And red pesto is just tomato pesto.
That's weird.
I know. Red pesto is tomato pesto. Of course, it's got basil and olive oil and all that stuff.
Just making sure.
I probably would have put more than 2 tablespoons, but as you can see, it probably looks pretty good. So taste it along the way, see if you want to add a little more. There's dill in there, which I used up. Well, you'll find out why later. And then I put a little bit of mozzarella cheese on top. Let it simmer. Again, you just put this one all together. I cooked the chicken and chopped it up. You can also buy pre-cooked chicken if you want to make it fast, because this is a good 10-minute meal that you could just put all together in the pan.
One skillet?
One skillet, yeah.
Sweet.
One skillet meal. Like I said, if you bought pre-cut cooked chicken, you could do that. Over here is some Greek meatballs. I actually use ground lamb and turkey instead of pork. We had a ½ pound of turkey left, so I use ground lamb and turkey. Lamb is already pretty fattening. There's a lot of oil that comes out when you cook these things. Sorry, babe, I'll come up here. So you got to pour out the oil halfway through and then flip them over, pour out the oil again. And I serve this with shredded Brussels, got some artichoke hearts, red onion, feta cheese, tomatoes. I was supposed to toss all that with a little bit of olive oil, and I didn't. Olive oil and vinegar.
Dude, tell me about this tzatziki sauce you made.
So bring some olive oil and vinegar with you to work. Oh, tzatziki sauce, which is really just kind of a Greek yogurt and honey sauce. I didn't have any dill left. I used all the dill. There's like a teaspoon of dill in here. Really, it calls for like 3 tablespoons. You want some dill in there. It's Greek yogurt, chopped cucumber, and lemon juice, garlic.
Yep.
And without the dill, it was kind of boring. So I just made it sweet instead. I put a little bit of honey in there. It brought everything together because you got the lemon and Greek yogurt. It's not gonna have much flavor, but with the honey and the salt, actually made it really good. So that came out pretty good. But
Recovered.
Bring some olive oil at least for the Brussels, because it'll get kind of dry.
Or just follow the recipe right in the first place.
So, guys, we got some Greek meatballs. We got some shredded chicken with cauliflower rice, ground bison with chimichurri sauce. Again, a lot of good colors in here. Love it. Doing something right again. Let me know what you like the best. And guys, we have a free guide out now. So if you haven't seen our free guide, check it out. letsmealprep.com/free guide.
Tell your friends.
6 baby steps to prep in there, and 12 free recipes as well for all you peeps that are not signed up. I couldn't understand why you wouldn't sign up, but that's okay, guys. Boom. Have a great day, guys. Take care.